So I woke up in the middle of the night and I thought about a video that I posted a few days ago about the dilemma I'm in, that I'm Canadian. I've fallen in love with an American girl. I'm down here for the winter and my last name is Ukrainian. And it touched a lot of people. In the middle of the night, another part of life that I failed to include was that when I'm not here visiting, I'm up as a long-haul trucker that spends most of his time in the States hauling raw building materials, including lumber, to the Pacific Northwest of America. And then I'm hauling feed and agricultural raw product back up to Canada, to farms. And I thought about it. Not only is this affecting people and jobs, it's affecting animals and farmers and food on our table. No one's winning here if we look at this from the culturescape. And I don't have a lot of tools except to spread love from an open heart. And all I can think of with an open heart and a whole lot of vulnerability and a lot of faith in the universe is, what if we amped up together as humanity, as Americans and Ukrainians and Canadians and French and Germans and all the cultures and peoples of the world, and maybe we took a second out of our lives, we closed our eyes and we thought about one or two things that in our life brought so much love to our heart, so much joy, so much gratitude. Maybe it brought up so much happiness that it brought tears to our eyes. What if we all, at the same time, amped up so much love for our life, for the situations, for the woman or man or human or dog that we love with all our hearts, and we focused with razor focus on that which we love so powerfully. Just thought of that for a minute. How would our life look? How would we see our differences? How would we see our similarities? Love is truly universal, and I think it could move things in the direction of the original American dream and the proud Canadian and the proud Ukrainian. You know, my dear father grew up in Montreal speaking French, English, Ukrainian, and Russian. I don't know what to say to you, but we've all embraced multiculturalism. We've all embraced our differences with our best friends and our family members over a dinner table while we eat. I know this is a big one right now. And in Canada, everyone's saying, raise your elbows up. And I'm like, we need to raise humanity up and see what's right. What is love? What is the bond that brings us all together? And stand in that love. And I believe the energy of that love will correct things so that things are right again. And we can all live on this beautiful, wondrous earth the way that we're supposed to be. And that's together, collaborating, seeing each other with our differences and similarities, but we're still one big human family. Anyway, that's just how I see it right now. I hope you have a great day.